Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Apache virtual hosts for multiple Node apps, full guide step by step clearly. To configure Apache virtual hosts for multiple Node applications, start by ensuring you have Apache installed on your server. Next, open your terminal and navigate to the Apache configuration directory. For Debian-based systems, this is typically found in /etc/apache2/sites available. For Red Hat-based systems, you will find it in /etc/httpd/confd. Create a new configuration file for your first Node application. You can name this file according to your app, such as app1.conf. Open the newly created file in a text editor of your choice. In the file, start by defining the virtual host block. Use the following syntax: virtual host *80. Specify the server name for your application. This should match the domain or subdomain where the app will be accessible. You can also add a server alias if you need to cover other domains. Next, set the document route, pointing to the location of your Node application. Use the proxy pass and proxy pass reverse directives to set up the proxy. These directives will specify where to route incoming requests. Make sure to point them to the correct port number your Node app is listening on, such as proxypass/http:// enter proxypass/socket.io/ws//localhost 3000/socket.io/. Also, add proxy pass reverse. After that, enable the new site configuration using the appropriate command. For Debian-based systems, use sudo a2 inside app1.conf. Now restart Apache to apply your changes. You can do this with sudo system to restart Apache 2. To ensure everything runs smoothly, check the Apache configuration for any syntax errors. Run sudo apache config test to verify the configuration. If the test passes, proceed to configure additional applications. Repeat the same steps for each Node app, creating new configuration files as needed. Make sure to adjust the server name, document route, and port details accordingly. You can deploy as many applications as required by following this guide. Once all configurations are set, test each application in your browser using the defined domains. If everything is configured correctly, your Node apps should respond as expected. This concludes the configuration process for Apache virtual hosts with multiple Node applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.